Okay, now we've got our sprites to either hide or show at the start of the game. Let's just test that. Click the green flag. There we go. All my sprites I don't want to display have disappeared and my play button is still there. Now what we're going to do is get the play button to do something called broadcast when we click it. So I'm on my play button here. When play button is clicked, broadcast, and I have to create a new broadcast. I'm going to name it after what I want to happen next. So when the play button is clicked, I want it to switch to my level 1 introduction screen background. So back to my play button. When the play button is clicked, broadcast level 1 intro. Okay. Then, thinking about this, I don't want that play button to display anymore. So I'm going to tell it to hide. There we go. So again, I'm going to go across all my sprites and my backgrounds and write some scripts for what I want them to do when they receive this command called level 1 intro. So for my stage, when I receive level 1 intro, I want it to switch to background level 1 intro. There we go. My level 1 ball is hidden and I don't want that to appear yet. Level 2 ball is hidden, don't want that to appear yet. In fact, I don't want any of these sprites to appear yet, so I can leave them alone. So back to my stage. I want it to display this screen for 2 seconds and then switch to the background for level 1 so we can start playing. So on my scripts panel, switch to background level 1 intro, wait 2 seconds, and then I could just tell it to switch backgrounds again, but that wouldn't affect any of these sprites down here. So what I'm going to do instead, after it's waited 2 seconds, is I'm going to tell it to make another broadcast, and this one's going to be called level 1. Okay. This is where it gets slightly complex, but when I receive level 1, switch to background level 1. And now I'm going to go across all my sprites and see if I need to write any code for them. And I know I do for my level 1 ball, because when it receives this broadcast at level 1, I want it to show. So when I receive level 1, first of all, let's just switch to the level 1 background. There we go. When I receive level 1, first of all I want it to go to this corner. So x is 200, y is minus 150. and minus 150, and then I want it to appear. So show. There we go. My level 2 ball was hidden at the start. I don't need it to show up yet. My level 2 portal was hidden at the start. I don't need that to show up yet. My level 1 portal here needs to go to the top up here. So x minus 200, y to 132, and show. Now I can just duplicate that across to here and just change the coordinates. So what did I say? Minus 200 and 140. Okay. Minus 200 and 140. There we go. Now get yourself set up like that. In the next video we're going to look at, basically look at making the ball move around after the mouse and disappear when it touches the portal.